It's never a sin at all to borrow followers from other related brands that have been on Instagram longer. Established businesses obviously have cultivated following that you definitely want to associate yourself with. Quite a number of businesses have succeeded in Instagram marketing because they have resorted to borrow followers from other more established businesses on Instagram. It's noteworthy that you too can succeed in this form of marketing when you decide to make a good user of other business followers. Widening your Instagram exposure with the help of other related brands can be achieved by following other related brands on Instagram. When you like the comment on images and the short videos posted by other brands, you are more likely to gain the confidence of their followers. It's simple. When you are part of their following, you gain access to other followers who might be interested in our brand. Therefore, you can succeed in meeting your Instagram marketing through if you widen your Instagram exposure with other established brands.